BabyTales.
Greetings, art adventurers. Today, we're embarking on a scenic journey as we draw and color a charming village, nestled amidst nature's beauty. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring this tranquil scene to life. Let's start by sketching the outline of our village scene. Picture the quaint hut, the serene lake, the majestic mountains, the peaceful boat, and the lush trees. Take your time to capture the essence of each element. Now, let's add some details to our village. Think about the texture of the hut, the ripples on the lake, the rugged terrain of the mountains, the tranquility of the boat, and the foliage of the trees. Let's make our village scene come alive. Time to add color to our village. Choose vibrant hues that reflect the beauty of nature. Greens for the trees, blues for the lake and sky, browns for the hut and mountains, and pops of color for the boat. Let's infuse our artwork with warmth and vitality. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create art. Let your imagination guide you and have fun with it. This is your chance to create a tranquil village scene straight out of your dreams. have it, our picturesque village scene, where nature and tranquility converge in perfect harmony. We've transformed a blank canvas into a serene oasis. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity continue to flourish.